So it's an exciting time for Scots. We're revisioned as a school, re-energised with a new strategic plan, and most importantly and significantly in this space, a renewal of our outdoor education program. A Year 9 Border to Beach program was a 8-day expedition, southwestern Victoria. We partnered with the Outdoor Education Group for the design and delivery of the program.
So once finishing Border to Beach, you'll actually feel like you've achieved something. It's not something that a lot of people do every day, and then it just pushes you out of your comfort zone.
I probably felt connected to the environment while we're canoeing, because it's just really relaxing. You kind of feel like you're kind of like going with the water. And it was like my paddle was going really softly into the water, but it was getting us somewhere.
Even developing their skills and confidence with activities, so particularly canoeing was challenging at the start, and then by the end of it a lot of them had significantly improved and had found that they could see improvement with themselves as well, which was really good.
I thought it was really good when you got the hang of it, because like you got an emotion and you actually learnt something new, and that was always fun.
And it was like fun to learn that you could actually do that sort of thing. Like I never thought, looking at them at the start, that I would be able to go up and down them, but we did.
I thought like when we're biking and going down those really steep hills and just like feeling the wind in your hair and like on your helmet in the sweat and all that, like just blowing your shirt out and like all the rocks bobbing up on the wheels, and so I just thought that was so cool, and like just looking around at the trees, and it was nice, yeah.
When you're hiking, you just realise that you're only passing through an environment that animals inhabit, so you kind of feel like, that you're connected to them as you walk through their territory and things.
What's special about programs like Border to Beach is the notion of the journey, an idea of starting point A and working over multiple days through to a point B, a real sense of progression, a sense of increasing challenge and learning and growth as a group.
Like it didn't matter anymore that we smelt or that we were all like, that we were filthy and like hungry and stuff, like just seeing that and being there, like that made it worth it.
So they're there and they experience it for what it is, and they live in the moment. It's a wonderful way to be working, learning and partnering alongside young people.